You sit down to study, but suddenly everything else becomes way more interesting. Maybe just one quick video on your phone, or a snack won't hurt, right? Then a thought hits. Do you even need this degree, or should you just drop everything and move to the mountains? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most students get stuck in the wrong cycle. Hours of rereading notes, but barely remembering anything. What if I told you there's a way to study faster, remember more, and still have time left for your favorite show? Stick with me. Skip these tips, and you'll be trapped in that endless loop of cramming and disappointment. But master them, you'll be unstoppable. Hi, I'm MrMindwiser. Welcome to the channel, where growth begins. Tip 1. Trick your brain. Your brain is wired to be lazy. Given 3 hours, it'll stretch studying to fill all 3, mostly with distractions. This is Parkinson's law in action. Fix it by telling yourself, I'll just study for 20 minutes. That small, manageable goal kicks your brain into gear. And once you start, you'll likely keep going. Tip 2. Learn like a genius. Einstein said it best. If you can't explain it simply, you don't truly understand it. So teach it. Explain your topic to an imaginary 5-year-old. No fancy words. When you stumble, that's your weak spot, your chance to relearn. Simplify again and again. This is deep understanding, not shallow memorizing. Tip 3 is a game changer. Stop rereading, start testing. Passive reading is a memory killer. Close your book and recall key points. Write from memory or quiz yourself with flashcards. Actively forcing your brain to retrieve information doubles how fast you remember. Tip 4. Use the timer trick. Ever notice how you laser focus just before a deadline? Urgency sharpens your mind. Set a 30-minute timer and study like it's an emergency. Then take a guilt-free 5-minute break. Stretch, walk, even scroll your phone. These short sprints fight burnout and kill fake studying, staring at notes without real learning. Tip 5. Work smarter, not harder. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results come from 20% of what you study. Focus on what matters. Test topics, past exams, and what you don't know yet. Pro tip: start with a practice test. Where are the biggest gaps? That's your target. Now here's the final tip. The secret no one talks about. Your brain doesn't store what you study, it locks it in while you sleep. Pulling all-nighters? Destroying your memory. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to file information for the long haul. Plus, exercise, even a quick walk, boosts memory power. With these, you don't just learn faster, you remember better. Here's your 6-step study cheat sheet. Trick your brain. Start with 20 minutes. Teach it simply to learn deeply. Test yourself. Don't reread. Study in focused 30-minute sprints. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what matters. Sleep and move. The brain's secret unlock. If this touched your heart, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Ready to break free from wasted hours and forgettable grades? Start using these tips right now. Your future self will thank you. No more cramming, no more stress. It's time to study like a genius and own your success.